Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about 5 best GPS built-in dashcams that you can buy in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's performance, price, or its particular use, I've got the perfect match for you. I've included options for every type of consumer. So, if you were looking for a budget option or for the best one on the market, you have came to the right place. If you want more information and up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon. Now let's get started with the video.
R2 4K dash cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video card dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2 4K dashcam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K dashcam has state-of-the-art features such as f1.8 apertures, the largest in the industry. Auto-triggered parking mode makes the dashcam go into parking mode automatically when your car engine shuts off. 150-degree A+ wide-angle lens, G sensors, loop cycle recording, emergency video lock, time-lapse video, slow-motion video, and ensures an extended storage capacity by supporting up to 512 GB Class 10 U3 speed microSD card, which is the highest in the industry. It can work in extreme cold of -22 degrees Fahrenheit to extreme hot 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Moreover, the Rove R2 4K comes with a beautifully written professional-to-user manual, which is easy to understand and detail-oriented for any dashcam enthusiasts. It is easy to use and easy to install. Purchasing the Rove R2 4K comes with an all-in-one package. You will get an advanced 4K video card dash camera that has a meticulously designed hardware and a custom-designed beautiful firmware. We provide free firmware upgrades, free iOS and Android app updates, free GPS player for PC and Mac, and free lifetime customer support that is backed by a 1-year hassle-free warranty and 30-day money-back guarantee in case you have any doubts. All of these are from your local Chicagoland, Illinois company that you can trust. Rove R2 4K has so many advanced state-of-the-art features and technology packed in a single unit, where R2 4K is all you need that won't break your bank. So please, choose today's powerful, compact, beautiful software, user-friendly, and most reliable 4K dash camera, and secure your drive to a safer future with Rove.
RedTiger F7N is a 4K dual dash cam with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. The RedTiger F7N dash cam offers top-quality 4K 3840 by 2160 with Sony Starvis sensor on front camera and 1920 by 1080p on rear camera that captures super clear view. Wide-angle dual cameras capture all pedestrians and vehicles around the car, providing sufficient evidence for collisions. The 4K backup car camera has built-in Wi-Fi with easy connection to your smartphone app. The built-in GPS can easily record your driving route, driving speed, and other information, which will become your important evidence. F7N dashcam with Sony Starvis sensor improves low-light sensitivity, allowing clear imaging in low-light environments. The combination of f1.5 large aperture and 6 glass lens, professional WDR, HDR technology ensures the clarity of images at night. Eliminates the need for an auxiliary light source even in low-light environments. Car license plates can be easily seen. With the dedicated hardware kit, the recorder can automatically monitor the surrounding environment. When the built-in G sensor detects a sudden shock or collision, the camera will automatically lock video. For buying options and more information about this product, Check the links in video description. Viofo A129 Pro Duo is a 4K and 1080p front and rear dashcam. Dashcam A129 Pro Duo adopts top-quality Sony sensor on front camera and rear camera. 4K resolution offers amazing video quality. 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi could transmit in 2 different standard frequency ranges to avoid wireless interference. More stable signal and faster speed. With GPS logger, dash camera can log the current speed and GPS location. Timestamp information can be embedded in the video. Real-time speed would display on car camera screen. Azdome M550 dashcam comes with built-in GPS. The GPS dash camera records the driving trajectory and speed accurately for you to view later. With the built-in Wi-Fi function and the free Azdome app, you can view real-time videos on your iPhone or Android device while on the drive. 6 IR LED lights greatly enhance the image quality in the car. Proprietary focal length technology facilitated by 6 glass wide-angle lens helps in capturing smaller details like number plates with more accuracy even in low light. Built to survive extreme weather conditions from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, to meet the needs of extremely hot or extremely cold areas. 24 hours parking monitor only works on an external power source. If someone hits your car and impact reaches the G sensor level, then the camera will turn on and record 1-minute video, then locks it and saves it. For buying options and more informations about this product, check the links in video description.
Are you looking for the best video protection for your vehicle? Introducing the BlackVue DR900X series 4K UHD dashcams. With 4K ultra-high resolution, high shutter speed, and a wide angle of view, you'll capture the highest quality videos day and night in crisp detail. Nobody likes getting bogged down by large file sizes. That's why BlackVue uses the best video compression technology to keep file sizes down, letting you store more footage, even at high resolutions. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi and optimized video substreams, video transfer to your phone is blazing fast. We understand that you're not always with your car. The DR900X makes it easier than ever before to connect to the cloud by pairing your dashcam with a mobile hotspot or plugging in the optional LTE module. Built-in voltage monitoring lets you hardwire your BlackVue, so it's powered even when you're away without draining your vehicle's battery. BlackVue DR900X series, the ultimate 4K cloud dashcam. Available in single and dual channel versions.